Hey guys, welcome back to Stewie's Garage. Today I wanted to do a quick video on the best RTV I've found out there. It seals things up super good and doesn't leak. This is the Ford TA-31. I'm not sponsored by Ford or anything like that, but I've tried a lot of RTVs and I found that this is the best RTV there is. It's so good for sealing things up and you don't get leaks if you use it. It's kind of sticky when you apply it, but it's super good. It's better than like the gasket maker stuff, the gray, ultra gray, plain old black, you know, the blue RTV. It's better than all those. I really think so. They did a good job engineering this stuff. I've had like an oil pan on a car that's like spit out the side of the oil pan because the oil pan got loose, and I've gooped up the gasket with this stuff, and then I've just sealed the oil pan back and it hasn't leaked. I've had like water pump gaskets that have leaked and I just smeared it on externally and it sealed them up super well. If you don't want to have leaks, like this stuff works really well. The one drawback is it's kind of expensive. This is a 5 fluid ounce tube and I think it runs for about $30 on Amazon, but it's well worth it if you don't want to have leaks. It's nice that it comes in a tube like this because then you can put it in an extruder gun and lay a nice gasket bead. So that's super nice. It's just expensive, but if you don't want to have leaks, I would use this stuff. Again, it's the Ford Motorcraft TA-31. I've had super good luck with this stuff. I would recommend it. Just wanted to make a video to help you guys if you're looking for something that seals things up the first time and works really well. It lasts a while, and even if you have to go back and scrape it off, you know, it's not too bad to remove it with like a wire wheel or something. But anyways, hope this helped you guys out. Go try this stuff. It's gonna change your life. It's great, and see you in the next one. Like and subscribe, that would really help. Thanks. Bye.